Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to verify your FanDuel account step by step so you can start placing bets. First, visit the FanDuel Sportsbook website on your device or download the FanDuel Sportsbook app from the App Store for iOS or Google Play for Android. Once you're on the site or app, create your FanDuel account. Enter your email address, choose a unique username and secure password, read through the terms of use and privacy policy, and click Create Account. If you already have a FanDuel Fantasy Sports account, you can skip this step and just log in with your existing email and password. Next, you need to verify your identity. This is required to confirm your age and identity. First, answer your full legal name as it appears on your government-issued ID. Avoid nicknames. Second, enter your date of birth and phone number. This helps verify your identity and comply with tax regulations. Third, provide your home address, exactly as it appears on your ID. Fourth, enter the last 4 digits of your social security number. This is required by state and federal law, and FanDuel protects your information with strong encryption. You can also enable two-factor authentication for extra security using your phone, but this is optional. Finally, read and agree to the terms and conditions. Once everything is complete, click Verify Identity to finish the process. And that's it! Your FanDuel account is now verified and ready for deposits, bets, and bonuses. If this guide helped you, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to learn next.